Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix REANIMAL game crashing at startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, stuck on black screen or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PlayStation and check if the problem is solved or not. Next fix is to log out and log in. So simply log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back. And then check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you have another secondary account, then log in with that and check if that works or not. Fix 3. Switch internet connection. So first of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. You can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4. Switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection. Press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works best to fix the problem. Fix 5. Rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database OK. Now launch the REANIMAL and check if your problem is solved or not. Next fix is to restore license. So on your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select REANIMAL game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check problem solved or not. Fix 7. Disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. And then check problem fixed or not. If not, then turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8. Delete game data and cache. Make sure to backup the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage, delete. Now select the REANIMAL game and then select delete OK. Now restart your console and try again. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change the DNS setting from automatic to manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK. Now you can launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK. Now you can launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 10 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So simply uninstall the game and then reinstall and check. If that doesn't work, then if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the REANIMAL game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve a REANIMAL game crashes a startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, stuck on black screen or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.